Water pitcher filter replacements. Enjoy cleaner, filtered water by replacing your water pitcher filter. These of easy-to-change water filter replacements fit in all PUR pitcher and dispenser filtration systems. Model number: PPF 951K. Packaging may vary. Lead reduction filter. PUR Plus water filtration pitcher filters are WQA certified to reduce lead other contaminants potentially in your water. This PUR Plus pitcher filter is certified to reduce 3x more than Brita's leading pitcher filter. Easy to install. Soak PUR Plus pitcher filter replacement in water for 15 seconds. Hold new filter under running water for 10 seconds. Insert and twist to lock. One filter provides up to 40 gallons of cleaner drinking water or lasts up to 2 months. Compatible does not mean comparable. Be cautious of off-brand filters. They are not tested or certified to filter the same as PUR filters. PUR Plus filters are the only filters certified to reduce contaminants when used with PUR systems. Number 1 selling brand among certified lead-reducing filters. Contaminants can enter your water system daily, so filtering your water is important. PUR has been developing innovative technologies for superior water filtration for over 30 years. Top reviews from the United States. Nice to have clean water. I think a pitcher filter is probably less effective than more expensive purification methods, but the water tastes and appears fairly pure. I like that the filter locks into place, and the replacement cartridges are pretty reasonably priced.